Welcome to Build Sales Funnel. Today I'll show you how to build a complete webinar funnel from scratch in ClickFunnels, step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into ClickFunnels. Start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Head to the dashboard and click on Funnels in the top menu. Step 2. Create a new funnel. Click Create Funnel and select Host Webinar as your goal. ClickFunnels gives you two main options: live webinar or automated webinar. Choose the one that fits your needs. For this example, let's build a live webinar funnel. Step 3. Choose a funnel template. ClickFunnels has pre-designed templates for webinar funnels, perfect for saving time. Pick one that you like and click Select Funnel. Step 4. Customize each funnel. Step. Your webinar funnel will typically include registration page, confirmation page, webinar, broadcast page, webinar, replay page. Start with the registration page. Click Edit Page and use the drag and drop editor to add your headline. Include your webinar date and time. Add an opt-in form to capture leads. Make sure your call to action is clear and compelling. Step 5. Confirmation page. Edit the confirmation page to thank people for registering and confirm the webinar details. You can also add a video to build excitement. Step 6. Webinar broadcast page. This is where you'll host your live or pre-recorded webinar. Add your video, chat box and call to action buttons to encourage attendees to buy or sign up. Step 7. Webinar replay page. Finally, create a replay page so people who missed the live session can still watch and buy. Add a countdown timer to create urgency and boost conversions. Step 8. Connect email follow-ups. Use ClickFunnels' built-in email automation or connect your email marketing tool to send reminders and follow-ups before and after the webinar. Step 9. Test and launch. Test your funnel to make sure every page and link works smoothly. When everything looks good, publish your funnel and start promoting your webinar. And there you have it, your complete webinar funnel, ready to attract leads and turn them into paying customers. Check the video description below for more funnel building resources and my recommended tools to supercharge your webinar funnels. And don't forget to subscribe to Build Sales Funnel for more actionable tutorials and strategies to grow your online business. Thanks for watching. Now go build your webinar funnel and crush your next presentation.